What would you do if you found a way to steal millions of dollars with zero chance of getting caught? Marcus Chen was a broke cryptocurrency developer drowning in student debt when he discovered it. A critical flaw in the code of a major exchange that processed over $2 billion daily. One simple exploit could transfer funds directly to his wallet, completely undetected. His mother needed surgery. The medical bills were piling up and collectors were calling every day. For 3 sleepless nights, he stared at the code, knowing he could solve all his problems with a few keystrokes. But something held him back. Instead of exploiting it, he reported the vulnerability to the exchange. They fixed it within hours and offered him something unexpected: the head of security position with a salary 20 times what he was making. Today, Marcus is a respected figure in cybersecurity, speaking at conferences worldwide. His integrity didn't just save millions for others, it transformed his entire life. Sometimes doing the right thing pays better than crime ever could.